Hi, today is Tuesday, October 27th, and it is Crazy Hair Day for Red Ribbon Week. So I took the time during attendance, and every student got to show off their hair and their crazy socks. So we put our feet up in the air to show. After attendance, we went into math. So we're still working on our Chapter 3 review for our Chapter 3 brain check. So please get out your Chapter 3 math and turn to page 133, and we corrected their homework from last night. So, number 7, select the number sentences that show the commutative property of multiplication. Mark all that apply. So we discussed how when it says mark all that apply, there's more than one answer. And there also is an S at the end of sentence. So sentences means more than one. So we tried 3 times 2. The commutative property is 2 times 3. So A is 1. 4 times 9 is 4 times 9. That's not the commutative property. 5 times 0 does equal 0, but that's not the commutative property. 6 times 1, well, what's the opposite? 1 times 6. So that is. And then 7 times 2 equals 14 times 1. 7 times 2 is 14, and 14 times 1 is 14. They do equal each other, but it doesn't show the commutative property. So we got to X that out. So A and D. Number 8. A waiter carried 6 baskets with 5 dinner rolls in each basket. How many dinner rolls did he carry? Show your work. So we have cubes. I always like to do you, underline the sentence or the question first. So how many dinner rolls did he carry? Checked it off. Well, if you have to carry something, you're working with baskets. And we know that we're looking at dinner rolls. So here's dinner rolls. So we need to circle the key numbers, which are 6 and 5. Now we need to box the math verb. In each means multiply. So that is our math verb. Now we need to draw a picture. Evaluate, especially with multiplication, is draw a picture. So we have 6 baskets. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 5 in each. So 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. So we have 30 total dinner rolls. And our multiplication sentence is 6 times 5. Number 9. Sonia needs 3 equal lengths of wire to make 3 bracelets. The jump on the number line shows the length of one wire in inches. How many inches of wire will Sonia need to make the 3 bracelets? So we have cubes. Underline the question. How many inches of wire will Sonia need to make the 3 bracelets? We need to circle the key numbers. All right, we're looking for 3 bracelets total. And there are 3 lengths of wire. When we box the math verb, it is literally telling us what to do. We're jumping on the number line. When you see a number line, you do not need to box the math verb. You already know. All right, I'm using this number line. Evaluate and solve. So our first wire stops at 6. So that means that there are 6 inches in one wire. Well, we need 3 bracelets, and there's 3 wires. So we need to jump 2 more times. Our second jump is to 12 because there's 6 from 6 to 12. And then we jump 6 baby ones to get us to 18. So it's 18 total inches, and our number sentence is 3 times 6. Number 10 is a tricky one. It's a 2-step problem. Josh has 4 dogs. Each dog gets 2 dog biscuits every day. How many biscuits will Josh need for all of his dogs for Saturday and Sunday? We underlined the question. We circled the key numbers. Saturday and Sunday are also key numbers too, which are 2. We evaluated, so we drew our picture. I had students try it, and someone said, well, they did repeated addition. They knew there are 4 dogs, so they drew 4 lines to show the groups. Each dog gets 2 dog biscuits, so they put 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2, which equals 8. We're not done, though. It only wants to know how many dog biscuits he needs for Saturday and Sunday. So with 2 dogs, he needs 8 dog biscuits. So to show, I put Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, and I put 8 on each day. Well, it is only asking for Saturday and Sunday, so we can cross off Monday through Friday. And then it says and, so we're adding it together. So we're doing 8 plus 8 equals 16. So he needs 16 biscuits to feed 4 dogs on Saturday and Sunday. Turn the page. Number 11. Jorge displayed 28 cans of paint on a shelf in his store. This array shows 4 rows of 7, which is 4 times 7, which equals 28. Select other ways Jorge could arrange the number of cans, mark all that apply. When you get questions like these, you need to solve the problem, and it needs to equal the same amount as the example problem. Like right now, our example problem is 4 times 7 equals 28. So every single multiple choice answer that equals 28 is correct. First, what we did is turned our array talk into multiplication. Remember, rows are first. Of means multiply. Our second number is how many are in each row. Or columns. 2 rows of 14 is 2 times 14. 1 row of 28 is 1 times 28. 6 rows of 5 is 6 times 5. 8 rows of 3 is 24. 7 rows of 4 is 7 times 4. Now, you solve. What is 2 times 14? Well, I did repeated addition. I did 2 groups of 14 in each, which equals 28. That matches, so A, we bubble in. We have 1 row of 28. Remember, anything times 1 is that number. So it's 28, we bubbled it in. 6 times 5 is 30, so that's incorrect. 8 times 3 is 24, that's incorrect. But 7 times 4, I showed 7 groups, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 of 4, and you get 28. Homework, page 135, 16, 17 only. Only 16 and 17 on page 135. Page 136. I only want them to do 19, part A. Just part A, not part B. Then we read all aboard. We read a few more pages. I had students read aloud and we talked about it. So I'll put the link in the comments again so you can listen to a few more minutes of the story, and tomorrow we will finish the story. Then we worked on grammar. So grammar packet weeks 10 and 11. And we turn to the back cover, page 31. So we talked about that a singular noun is only talking about one person, place, or thing. A plural noun talks about more than one person, place, or thing. So you need to add S to the majority of plural nouns. So nouns, this is actually one. Noun, you would just put an S at the end for nouns. You would add ES if the singular noun ends in S, CH, SH, or X. For example, wishes, wish ends in SH. That is right here. So then you're going to add an ES to the end to make it wishes. Singular and plural nouns can be compound words. We talked about compound words. Back is a word, pack is a word. When you put it together, it has a whole new meaning. So when I look at backpack, the last 2 letters, a C and a K. I don't see a C and a K, so I'm just going to add S. So we worked on correcting these singular vowels. Coat. Coat. That has none of these, so we're going to add an S. Wish. We did wish. It ends in SH, so we add ES. Box. Box ends in X, so we add an ES. Bench. CH. That ends in CH, so we add an ES. Horse. Horse ends in an E, That doesn't end in any of those, so we add an S. Your homework is to finish 6 through 10. Now at the bottom, write the plural form of each noun in parentheses to complete each sentence. I saw 2 fox in the woods. You saw 2, that's more than 1. So fox, it ends in X, so you add an ES. We learned the names of many different rock. If there's many different types of rocks, that's more than 1. So rock, it ends in CK, not CH. So we're just going to add an S. And then your homework is to finish 13, 14, and 15. We went to Walk to Learn. When we came back, we worked on our bat's body, and we finished our paragraph. So get 8 and 9, weeks 8 and 9. And I am just going to put the paragraph up, and you can pause and finish writing it. And I explained to the kids that their paragraph, when they write on their own, is not this long. I just made it this long because we did it together. So they'll finish this, pause it. Then in there, weeks 10 and 11, language arts, 3rd grade. Turn to the last page, wildfires. So they need to read wildfires and answer the questions on the back. And we wrote on the top to help them. Cause is why, effect is what happened. Right? Then they need to finish their science. Their history should all be done in that packet by Friday. They need to read for 30 minutes and go to PE at 1 o'clock. All right, thank you.